Hi, Kyla. It's Jay. I thought I'd send you this video that explains how to create the filters or the folders that you were asking about. Um, the best way to do it is at the server level, meaning that if when the email comes in, it processes whatever rule or filter you want it to do. So if you want certain emails from certain people to go to certain folders, it's better to set it up at the server itself. You can set it up on Outlook to do that. However, what happens is that when you receive the Outlook has to be open to execute the rule, which means that if you receive an email, throughout the day, your Outlook isn't open, and you open it on your phone, then you'll receive it to your inbox. It won't automatically put it into that folder. It's Outlook that's actually creating that. So what happens is when we set it up on the server, the rule is when it comes in, it reads the rule, it'll do what you want with that email right at the server level. So regardless if you open your phone or Outlook or your iPad or whatever it is, it's already executed the rule. So you never have to worry about it going into the right folder. Anyways, so to do this, you want to sign into World Client. When you do sign into World Client, go down to theme here and use Lookout. I don't know if you've played around with this before, but it looks closer to Outlook, and so it doesn't look so foreign, because the World Client one's kind of weird. So anyways, sign in, and once you're in there, you may want to create a folder for these to go into if you haven't already. If you can create the folder in Outlook ahead of time, like just on your computer. If you haven't, you can do it here. To do it here, you just click Inbox and go to right-hand click on Inbox, sorry, and then go to Folders, and then you can create the name of the folder. So we'll just call it, no, we'll just call it test folder, whatever. I think I already created one. I was playing with this. Okay, and then it's a subfolder of your inbox, and it's an email folder. So you do that, hit create. Oh, I already did this once. Okay, so I already did it. So we go back to your inbox. That's how you create it anyways. Back to your inbox, that little icon up there. And I did create one already to do this demo for you. So there it is, the test folder. It's empty. Okay, so now to create the rule, or they call them filters, you go up to the little gear up here. That's your options. And then you want to select filters. And this is where we create the new ones. You can create multiple ones to do different things. You can play around with it. It's all pretty self-explanatory. In the if it comes from, if you get certain things in the subject. So if the subject says a certain thing, if it comes from a certain address, if you want it to, if you had multiple accounts, all that type of thing, or from a certain sender. I would just go from. It's easiest. Okay, so if the from contains, and you can make it anything. It could be part of a word, it could be the full email address, it could be anything. But as long as these words or letters are in the from field of the email, that's what it's going to look at. So if the from contains, let's say it's a certain email address that you're trying to organize. So if it's whoever at abc.com, whatever. Okay, that's the person that's sending you the email address. Move it to, and then this is what you do. You select the folder. Where'd our test folder go? There it is. Oof. Like I say, you can change and create multiple filters. You may want it to forward to someone, delete it right away, redirect it somewhere. In this case, like you said, you want to move it to a certain folder, so we'll move it to our test folder. Go add filter. Boom. It's that easy. You can always go back and edit them. You can delete them, what have you. But at this point, any email that comes in from whoever at abc.com is going to get moved to our test folder. So if you go back to your inbox, well, no, there's nothing else to do in there. You're pretty much done. I'm going to delete it for now because you don't want that in there. So get rid of that. But that's all you have to do. Once it's in your filters, you're done. You go to here, you go to sign out, and that's it. Now everything that hits the mail server before it goes anywhere, whether it be your phone, whatever, is going to get moved into that folder. So that's all you got to do. Okay, let me know if you got any questions. Bye-bye.